Once upon a time, all the people of the world spoke the same language and lived together in harmony. One day, the people decided to build a great tower that would reach all the way to the heavens to show how powerful they had become. They began to build the tower brick by brick, growing taller and taller with each passing day. But God was watching from above and saw that the people were becoming prideful and forgetting about Him. As the tower grew higher, the people's pride grew even stronger. They believed nothing could stop them. Seeing their pride, God knew He had to remind them of His power. He decided to confuse their language so they could no longer understand each other. In an instant, the people began speaking different languages. They were confused and frustrated because they couldn't understand one another. The work on the tower came to a stop. Without the ability to communicate, the people could no longer continue their grand project. With their languages confused, the people scattered across the earth, each group settling in a different land. And so the great tower was left unfinished, a reminder of the dangers of pride and the importance of humility. God taught the people a valuable lesson, that pride can lead them away from His plan, but humility brings them closer to Him. The people, now spread across the earth, learned to trust in God's guidance and live in harmony with one another. And so a new chapter began for humanity, one where faith in God brought them together, even when they were far apart. The story of the Tower of Babel reminds us that pride can divide, but faith in God will always unite us. Though the Tower of Babel stands no more, its lesson lives on in the hearts of all who hear the story. Remember, true greatness comes from humility and faith in God. The story of the Tower of Babel continues to be told, teaching each new generation the importance of faith and humility. May we always remember to trust in God's plan and live in faith wherever we are in the world.